How to break news in English. Key structures. Active and passive forms. Hello, and welcome. Here are today's top headlines. Government approves new law. New law is approved by government. Fire destroys historic building. Historic building is destroyed by fire. Earthquake hits city center. City center is hit by earthquake. Floods force thousands to evacuate. Thousands are forced to evacuate. Police arrest suspect in murder case. Suspect in murder case is arrested by police. Storm causes major damage. Major damage is caused by storm. Scientists discover new species. New species is discovered by scientists. "87-year-old man wins $100 million lottery." $100 million lottery is won by 87-year-old man. President signs new trade deal. New trade deal is signed by President. Protesters block main roads. Main roads are blocked by protesters. Hacker steals bank data. Bank data is stolen by hacker. Hacker leaks personal data. Personal data is leaked by hacker. Thieves rob jewelry store. Jewelry store is robbed by thieves. Mayor announces new housing plan. New housing plan is announced by Mayor. Authorities close highway, due to flooding. Highway is closed, due to flooding. Court sentences criminal to 10 years. Criminal is sentenced to 10 years by court. Singer releases new album. New album is released by singer. Company launches new app. New app is launched by company. Police question witnesses after shooting. Witnesses are questioned by police after shooting. Famous chef prepares royal banquet. Royal banquet is prepared by famous chef. Students organize climate protest. Climate protest is organized by students. Volunteers clean up beach. Beach is cleaned up by volunteers. Officials report no injuries in the accident. No injuries are reported by officials in the accident. Workers demand better conditions. Better conditions are demanded by workers. Rescue team finds missing hiker. Missing hiker is found by the rescue team. Engineers build temporary bridge. Temporary bridge is built by engineers. Parliament approves new immigration law. New immigration law is approved by Parliament. Doctors perform life-saving surgery. Life-saving surgery is performed by doctors. Functional English includes both active and passive forms in today's news. Both active and passive forms in English are included in today's news by Functional English.